In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a note to a project in Dubsado. Adding notes to your Dubsado projects is a simple but effective way to keep important information organized and easy to access. Whether you're managing multiple clients on your own or collaborating with a team, project notes can help everyone stay informed about key details related to a specific job. Instead of relying on memory or searching through emails, you can store relevant information directly inside the project where it belongs. To get started, log into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, head over to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Projects. This will display all of the projects currently available in your account. Browse through the list and select the project where you'd like to add a note. After opening the project, you'll see several tabs across the top of the page. Click on the Notes tab to access the section dedicated to project notes. Once you're there, make sure you're viewing the Notes area. Then click the Add Note button to create a new entry. A text box will appear where you can type the information you want to save. This can be anything that's relevant to the project, such as scheduling details, client preferences, reminders, or internal updates. Keep in mind that anyone who has access to this project will also be able to view the note, so it's best to include information that's helpful for everyone working on the project. After you've finished entering your note, click Add to save it. Within a moment, the page will refresh and your new note will appear in the project's Notes section. From now on, whenever you or another team member opens the project, that note will be available for quick reference. Using project notes is a great way to keep communication organized and ensure important details aren't forgotten over time. Even months or years later, you can return to the project and review previous notes whenever you need additional context. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a note to a project in Dubsado. Keeping your projects well documented can make managing clients and collaborating with your team much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.